Hello and welcome. First, we will do an action method to upload the file. Second, we will do a Postman request. And third, we will do the HTML code to do the request. Okay? Here in our Hello World project, we will create a controller. Right-click on Controllers folder, add controller, choose Web API 2, controller empty, add. We choose the name file uploading and we hit add. Let me hide this, and now let's define our action. Public string upload file. It will return the file uploaded, and this is a HTTP post. Also it will have the root of API / file uploading / upload file. This is the skeleton of our action. Next, we need to insert the file somewhere, so let me get the path. Var context is equals to HTTP context. We need to import system web dot current. Var root is equals to context.server dot map path and /app_data, and we don't have this folder, so let me go here to the solution and right click on the project, add ASP.NET folder, and we choose app.data. Now we have this folder here. Next, we will define a provider, so var provider is equals to new multi-part form data stream provider, and we pass the root. Next, we need a try catch because there is some operations that can generate exceptions. So in case of exception, we will say return e.message. Now let's go here to the try and say request dot content dot read as multipart async, and we give the provider here. Because this method is async, we need a await here. Let me put this in the next line so you can see. And because of the await, we need to go here to the method signature and say async, and this will return a task of string. We need to import system threading tasks, and now is okay. So the next thing that we will do is a loop over file data that we will find inside of this provider, because this read as multipart async will insert data in this. We go here and do a for each, and we say var file in provider dot file data. Now let's get the name of the file. Var name is equals to file dot headers dot content disposition dot file name. Because these file name have double quotes, we need to remove them. So we say name is equals to name dot trim remove double quotes. This is remove double quotes from string. Next and last step is save the file. So we need to declare here a var local file name. This is the source, so this is file.local file name. We need a destiny, so it will be file path is equals to path. We need to import system.io dot combine, and we will combine the root with the name of the file, and after this we can call file.move from local file name to file path. Now let's test with Postman. Let's run this. Let's go into Postman. It will be a post address will be API / file uploading / upload file, and we go here to the body is a form data. We choose file and we choose a file like this one, open, send, and we get the file uploaded response. If we go here and if we open folder in File Explorer, this folder contains the file that we uploaded. Now let's do the code in HTML. Going here to Notepad++, we just need a simple form where the method is a post, the type is a multi-part form data, and the action is the address that we have here in Postman. We copy paste here like this. We need input for the file. We need this name, okay, because the guy will complain if we don't have this, and this is a type of file. We need a second input of type submit, and let's see this on the browser. We choose a file. It can be the same guy. Let me change because it will complain already as the file. This is the number 2, open and submit, file uploaded. We have a first version and a second version here. This is the end. Don't forget that you can download the source code of this presentation. The link in the description for you to download. And as always, thank you for watching.